Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can share your Snap story to someone on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on your story. Now, tap on the three dot icon. After that, use your Share Snap button, tap on it and select the person you want to send the snap to. After that, tap on the arrow button and that's it. Your Snap story has been shared to the target user.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.